Hello, my name is Chris Minogue. I'm the Internet Manager here for Acura of Limerick, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Acura MDX all-wheel drive technology with entertainment package. The first thing you're going to notice is our brand new color Canyon Bronze Metallic, brand new for 2019. You will notice that this vehicle has a diamond pentagon grille with the dual eye LED headlights for brighter visibility at night. The vehicle also does come with 20-inch wheels. You'll notice that the mirrors are power folding with turn signals inside. I'll show you where the power folding button is. You also, once you lock the doors, the mirrors will fold in, and then when you unlock the doors, the mirrors will fold out. The MDX does have driver and passenger keyless access system. All you do is walk up to the vehicle as long as you have the key fob with you. You put your hand inside the door, it'll unlock the door. You can press this button and it'll lock all the doors. Inside the passenger door, you'll notice the vehicle does have beautiful wood trim, and you'll notice that the seat is genuine leather with perforated seats. The vehicle does have a multi-way functioning power passenger seat with lumbar support, and there is the blind spot monitoring system. The entertainment package is also going to get you rear seats are going to be captain's chairs with the television DVD unit inside there. The second row is heated, as well as you have your tri-zone climate control. In the event that the sun is bothering you, you do have sunshades in the entertainment package as well. Moving over to the rear of the MDX, you have the parking sensors. You probably can't see them too well, but they are both front and rear parking sensors. Underneath the A symbol is the power liftgate button. You just press the button, the liftgate will open up for you. There is a 3-stage backup camera, wide angle, normal angle, and directly to the ground. When you're in the back of the MDX, you do have this beautiful storage compartment right here. This is hinged, so this won't fall down and smack your fingers no matter what level it is, which makes it great for putting groceries inside. The seats easily lift up just by pressing, lifting that up, just like that, and they fold just as easy. In the third row, you do have a power outlet, and these are the wireless headsets for the DVD unit. I'm going to go ahead and press this power folding button down, and we're going to go ahead and check out the rest of the car. The MDX gets you 19 in the city and 26 on the highway, and we're going to talk about the driver's seat, where you're going to spend most of your time. Getting inside the MDX, we're going to look right here. It does have 2 memory seat positions, and this is driver 1 and driver 2. On the back of our keys, it'll tell you whether it's driver 1 or driver 2. The key also has push button remote start. Over here, you have the power folding mirror button that I was talking about earlier. You just press this button in, the mirrors will fold in for you. That means if you're pulling into a tight space or your garage, it'll make it easier for you. You have all of your power windows and locks. Of course, coming over here, we have a nice little instrument cluster. You have brake hold, your electronic parking brake, your parking sensors, you can turn them on or off. This button right here is for the road departure mitigation. This right here is for your traction control, and that's for your collision mitigation braking system, if you want to turn those on or off. The MDX also comes with automatic headlights, automatic high beams, and rain sensing wiper blades. All of your controls are via the Bluetooth connection. You can answer a phone call, speak to the Bluetooth system. Depending on what cell phone that you have, we'll be able to pair it for you, as well as allow you to do text messages just by pressing a button. Right here, you have your lane keep assist feature, as well as the adaptive cruise control. You can set the distance between you and the car in front of you. These right here are more information, as well as your cruise control speeds. The vehicle also has right here a nice little push button. You have dynamic mode. There are 3 different modes. You have comfort, normal, and sport. In comfort mode, it's going to be a nice, smoothest, softest ride. And in sport mode, it's going to stiffen the suspension for you and make the pedal more aggressive for you. You also have idle start stop. You can easily turn that off if you do not like that feature. Essentially, when you come to a complete stop, it will shut the engine off for you to save fuel efficiency. In the top screen, you're going to have your navigation, as well as you have the ability to display your cell phone, whether it be an Android or an iPhone, because the vehicle does have Apple CarPlay / Android Auto. This right here is the full touchscreen radio, as well as your heated seats are all going to be activated right here through the touchpad. You can also control the heating and air conditioning temperatures right here as well. Inside here, you have your Acura Link system, as well as 3 garage door openers, and as well as our sunroof. And last but not least, you have your DVD unit right here where you'll input the CD for the kids or family members to watch it. And then this beautiful storage compartment right here with a 110 volt power outlet, as well as 3 USB charge ports and an auxiliary port. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.